Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's actually part 3 of 4 of a little series that I've been doing. So in today's video, it's a cute little elephant cake topper. The first week was a cute little giraffe. The second week was a zebra, and today is that cute little elephant. So if you guys want to see how I made these, and by the way, all the other animals will be linked in the description box of the video. So if you guys want to see how I made this one, well, keep on watching.
So first of all, for this beautiful color, I just added a little bit of black gel food coloring to my fondant, and then I got this beautiful color. So for the shape of the body, it's almost like a triangle shape that I created, and I round off the top and the bottom. I inserted a wet toothpick and then just set it aside. Now to create the back legs, I'm rolling out fondant using the same color and to a sausage shape, and you want to obviously have 2 pieces. You don't want it to be too thin, and you're going to flat out one end just like I'm doing right now on the counter, and then you're going to do this twice, and you're going to cut off the other side at an angle, and this will help you glue all your pieces together. Then you can simply glue your pieces to your body using a little bit of water. Water and fondant creates glue. So for the front legs, it's the same process. Roll out fondant into a sausage shape. You need 2 pieces, and then you're gonna flat out one end, and this will create your paw. And then on the other end, you're going to flatten it out onto your counter, and you're going to see this is going to be way easier once you want to glue it in front of your body. By the way, I always add some Tylose or gum text, it's the same thing, to my fondant, and this really helps with the drying process, and it helps keep your shape also. So for the head, you're going to start off with a round ball, and then you're going to thin out the other end, just like I'm doing right now, and this will be his trunk. So for a cute effect, I like to always flatten out the trunk, and I always give it like a curved look, but this is optional, but I really like it because it gives like really that kind of like a babyish look to it. So little trick, just flatten out onto your counter just like I'm doing right now. Press down using both thumbs, and this will create your eye socket, and then fill them up with white fondant using your ball tool. Simply press it down and then create a cute little eye using black fondant. Finish the eyes with a tiny little piece of a white fondant that you're going to glue on each corner of the eye, and then you're going to roll out black fondant in the tiniest piece possible to make some eyelashes. Glue your head to your body using a little bit of water. So for the ears, it's super simple. It's 2 round pieces that you want to flatten out the same size, and you don't want it to be too thin or too thick. And you're going to glue that on top of your head using a little bit of water. And I like to make my ears quite large. It really gives like a really cute effect. You can also add another fondant color on the inside. That would be cute. Also, finish the look with little hair at the top. And that's it. Look at this. It's so cute. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Mwah!